My name is R. Douglas Wills, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon practicing with the Pratt Medical Group at Spotsylvania Regional Medical Center. My field focuses on adult reconstruction, which is basically replacing joints, mainly the hip and the knee. As we get older, we get arthritis, and arthritis is a very debilitating problem. It can prevent you from participating in activities that you enjoy, like playing with kids, golfing, even walking. And my job is to help restore your activity levels so that you can do the things that you really like to do. And that's really what the focus is in orthopedic joint reconstruction. My involvement with orthopedics actually began when I was in grad school, getting my master's degree in biomedical engineering from Northwestern University. I worked with orthopedic residents there and decided I liked what they did more than what I was doing. So I ended up going to medical school at Medical College of Virginia, which is now known as VCU, and eventually back to the Midwest to Detroit for Wayne State for my residency. My residency was really focused on adult reconstruction. I kept up with current techniques and learned new things as I went on, even beyond residency, including things like robotic assisted joint replacement. Very excited about the vibe here at Spotsylvania. It's a growing community. It's a growing hospital system as well. The operating room is state-of-the-art. We have robotic replacement, a robotic assisted joint replacement, as I mentioned earlier. And all of the staff, including the OR and the floor staff, work together as a great team. I have easy contact with all individuals involved in patient care from the beginning to the end. And I think it's the teamwork combined with the facility that really benefits any patient that comes to this hospital. And I think one of the things that really stands out here, I've practiced at other facilities, but it's that family-like care that I think you really get from HCA facilities in general, and in particular Spotsylvania, that I've not always seen at other facilities. I think it's a great benefit.